So how can you check if WhatsApp is linked to another device? Let me talk about it and explain how it works. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, you open up the WhatsApp app on your device. You have to make sure that you are obviously signed in with your account and that you have access to the chats and everything like that. But at the bottom, you have a tab bar of some of the buttons. So you can switch from chats to calls or communities, but you can also click on the bottom right, which is the You section, so your profile. You can go there, and this is already like the settings page for your profile, and in there you can find linked devices. So in my case, it might tell me that I actually have an Apple Watch linked in here, right? So the Apple Watch Series 8, you can see that the device name, when it was active for the last time. And I also have the ability to disconnect it so I can unpair it. So in my case, I would only have one device linked to it. But you can tap on the plus button and essentially just add another device, right? So you can scan the QR code. You would look it up, for example, on the computer. You would look up WhatsApp web and scan the QR code with your phone right here and link the device together. So this is the place where you can either set it up or see which devices are already linked and connected to your WhatsApp account. So it's a very nice way to have everything organized and essentially keep track of all of the devices. So let me know if you managed to find what you needed. I really hope that I was able to explain it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future uploads.